Besides tasting great, cookies are easy to travel with. Hello everybody, it's Chef Graham here today with another video for Frontenac Cycle. I think some of you may remember my banana bread recipe. Today we're going to be doing another one, chocolate chip cookies. Who doesn't love those? Much like the banana bread, cookies are a great pre, mid, post-ride snack. We're going to be obviously baking them in the oven. And I've got a little girl here who just came out of the oven herself. Little Ruby here might be making some noise while she watches me make the recipe. The recipe today is an altered version of what you'd see on the back of the Hershey's chocolate chip bag. I've made a few changes that I think make it a little tastier. So, all right, so first we're gonna add in our sugar. Dum-da-dum. Maybe knock that down a little bit. Then from there, I'm gonna throw in the melted brown butter. The original recipe called for just regular butter, but as we all know, brown butter is far superior when it comes to cookies. Next, we'll just add in maybe cut that butter into the sugar a bit, and then our 2 eggs. There we go. And do our vanilla extract. Not quite a full cap. Boom. Now I'm just going to mix that all together. If the mixture isn't quite smooth enough, you can add a little bit of hot water, but I think our sugar to butter and egg ratio is going to be just fine here. So we've got our sugar and our other wet ingredients all mixed together nicely, and we're going to be mixing the baking soda. A little tip I learned, I think it was on a Martha Stewart video. Baking soda spreads, so your cookie will be thinner. Baking powder puffs. So if you want a puffier cookie, switch some of that baking soda to baking powder. A little bit of salt, obligatory mini whisk. Get the dry ingredients mixed together. Nice and mixed. And then I'm gonna slowly add and fold in the flour. I hope my bowl is big enough. Don't want to spill too much. And we can add our chocolate chips. Shimmy. Little one-handed mixing. It's not as easy, but you know, you gotta keep the kids occupied. All right, so we've got our dough mixed up. We do need to cover this with some saran. Okay, saran. And we're gonna pop this into the fridge, let it cool down. I would say probably for an hour-ish. Fortunately, TV magic, got another batch of dough already ready to go. So let's just do a little pop and swap. Pop that in, swap it out. All right. So this dough has actually been in the fridge overnight, so it's maybe a little bit harder than I normally have it. Making our cookies roughly the same size. And getting ready for our last couple cookies. And we're gonna pop it into our oven, which was preheating at 375. And I like them a little bit on the longer side of 8 to 10 minutes, so maybe even 11 minutes in the oven. As the creator of the cookies, it is your unalienable right to test the cookie dough. And it's delicious. We'll pop this into our oven. Put the timer for, I'm going with 10 minutes. Doesn't hurt to check, but there you go.
Oh, I'm in the frame. Hi.
Wait, we started with 12 and now there's 9? They're delicious. On your next ride, you're gonna be snacking on some cookies, crushing those kilometers. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and definitely comment down below on your favorite type of cookie, any variations you might make, and enjoy. Everybody knows that cookies taste great, but they're also super portable. You can have a cookie here, 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 or here, 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 here.
Alright, if you enjoyed that video, make sure to hammer that like button and subscribe, because we've got more coming to you. Thank you very much.